The third gathering of the Photographic Society of America brings 69 photographers representing 20 countries. Today marks day 3 and the team visited the famous Pinnawala elephant orphanage.
Well, definitely I saw elephant many times in my life in different parts of the world, but it's the first time that I have the opportunity to see and to take picture of such a big group of elephants coming in the middle of the village. It's a wonderful experience for all the photographers, I think, and I hope that my picture a little bit nice. And yes, I really would like to thank to all of you for this great opportunity.
The Photographic Society of America, founded in 1934, is a worldwide organization providing abundant resources for photographers from the novice to the professional. PSA offers online learning, webinars, study groups, competitions, mentors and consultants. The society membership is in over 80 countries, 5,000 members, 460 camera clubs and 11 chapters across the United States.